Welcome. In front of me is an OSCAL Tiger 12, and today I will show you how you can put this device into Fastboot mode. So, to get started, you wanted to hold your power button and select power off. When the device turns off, hold your power button and volume up at the same time. Once you begin holding both of those buttons, you will feel a vibration, at which point you want to let go of the power button. There was the vibration. Once you see the boot mode, you can also let go of the volume up as well. And then using your volume up only, you want to select the middle option, which is Fastboot mode. Yep, just needed to make sure because the text is just so tiny. So make sure that the arrow is in the middle. There's only 3 options. So cycle through. Once you see that it jumps all the way to the top, press once more, and this is the middle option. Then press the volume down to confirm that option. And that's it. We are, I believe, already in Fastboot mode, which is labeled right here in this tiniest little font. So, once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to your Android, either we will need to hold our power button and volume down to reboot the device. I'm gonna start just with power button. Yep, it turned off. And as you can see, it automatically starts to boot up on its own. And this will automatically take us back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.